Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about a very important topic which is playing a very important role in our day-to-day life, the design. I am sure you might be using designs a lot since the morning when you wake up till the late evening when you get back to the bed. This video is about the design systems. There are so many products you use and which all of them use the designs. Let me show some examples where the design is completely wrong. What if you are given a mug for planting waters like this? Yeah, will it work? Or if such type of toilets are developed, then do you think it is of any use? So these examples shows if you didn't think about the design, then it will be a chaos. The product is not beneficial. So stay tuned. In this video, I'll talk about what are the different designs, not the physical products, but digital products. Let's deep dive after the intro. So the design, I'm sure you might have seen multiple websites, multiple digital products, and some of them you loved a lot, and you go bang on to use those products. And there are some ugly products that you didn't want to go and revisit those websites or apps. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what are the different design systems which are available and how you can improve on that. What are the different principles which are important to learn about the designs. To a website of a product which is widely used in the design world, a Figma. Here is the websites of Figma and which talks about the different lessons about the design systems. And you can go to this website and learn what are the basic ingredients to build a good design system in your website or in your mobile application or any digital product that you're trying to create. And these are very small topics in a byte modules where you can consume and learn. So graphic designs is one of the important thing in the design where we have to create a lot of graphics with some text, images and even GIFs. And there is a way of thinking about the designs. There's a complete different principles and some ethics which are important to understand when we think of design and use those designs in our products. This design thinking and ethics chapter, they have talked a lot about what are the different principles that you should follow and keep in mind when you are thinking about the design and you don't build the crappy products. Accessibility and inclusion is becoming important nowadays as we are thinking of the inclusive society where every people of different capabilities can come and start using those products which are important. This help us to create a very inclusive society where the people of different abilities can come and contribute and use the products to their fullest. Design research talks about the topics which are important in terms of design. When we are thinking of any product, what are the important ingredients of that particular product that we should consider. So this chapter is very important and talks about different types of products. Then there are other chapters like content, storytelling, simplicity, consistency. These are the important things which any design should take care when they are building any design website or any product for that matter. Then it goes about the constraints and the hierarchy and typography design. So these are the different things which are important as part of design. There's typography is all about the fonts, the readability of the content, and then the hierarchy is about the different images and different object that we are putting different images and different objects and different figures that we are putting. what should come at the top, what should come behind the scenes, and of that could be behind in the object. Then there are constants which put some guardrails against any object so that we can focus on more important things when we are creating different products. So I believe you got the gist of different principles and different items which are there in the design system. So you should go and research on this website and read about the different topics. It hardly takes 2 hours to go over all the topics. Now let me talk about the different design systems which are available and created by different companies. So first of all, what is the design system? So in terms, we can say whenever we wanted to build any website or any application, then it involves a lot of smaller modules, different components that we call, and these components are built on using the other components on. So design system is an important thing when we think of creating the designs. Different companies has created their own designs, like Google, Apple, and many more companies have created their own designs. So first of all, let's talk about what is design system. A design system provide a mechanism where we can use components and we can build reusable components, and using those components we can create the whole design or whole UI. So with this, let me go to some examples which are the popular design systems. One is material design system, which is created by Google. So this is the material design, and there are so many beautiful designs which we can use in our website or mobile application, any digital product for that matter. You can go and read about that material design, how they thought about the whole product and building that product so that it is appealing, not just appealing, but also the usable by the people of different capabilities. Now let me take you to the another example of design system which is created by Apple. So this design system also provide different fundamentals component where we can use and create very large components or even use them as a product, final product. So they talk about what are the different charts that how we can create line items, designing for different types of devices because they have different devices has different types of screen. Then there is augmented reality for touch screen gestures. We can create some UIs. There is buttons, different types of appealing buttons. So I would suggest go through this website, developers.apple.com design. And same, Microsoft has its own design system, IBM has its own design systems. So this is Fluent Design System by Microsoft. So they say no need to create from the scratch, use existing design systems which we are created by these companies. And the advantage of using these design system is that you don't have to create from the scratch, but also that those design systems are built in such a way it can be used in multiple devices, multiple platforms. So you have to just use and reuse those components. This is Carbon Design System by IBM. So next time when you think of creating a product, a digital product especially, you can use these design systems and take advantage of their reusability and their components, which will help you to create any product fast and with minimal effort in terms of development. So I hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section, and like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that it will help me to grow this channel. And it is your support that I can grow this channel and share more knowledge about the different things that I know and will be useful to you. Thank you. This is BK from Maneka signing off for now.